Spain declares a state of emergency and imposes a near total lockdown to fight the COVID-19 as the number of infections there jumped overnight by roughly 20% to over 9,000 cases.
People will only be able to circulate on public roads to carry out the following activities. Firstly, the acquisition of food, pharmaceutical products, and basic necessities. Secondly, assistance to health centers, services, and establishments. Travel to the place of work to carry out their work, professional, or business activities.
Spain is now the world's fourth most infected country, behind China, Iran, and Italy, where on Monday people continued to self-isolate in a bid to contain the virus. Still, cases surged in Italy.
I
believe that in this kind of situation, we must be compliant and orderly. I hope that it will end soon, because I am exhausted.
Here at the supermarket, things are quite smooth. We're keeping the safety distances. I have the gloves already in my pocket, and I calmly respect my line. I try to be as quick as possible.
In London, customers packed supermarkets as locals stockpiled essentials. In Paris, residents also rushed to grocery stores as French authorities shut down restaurants, cafes, cinemas, and non-essential retail shops.
Given the scale and the speed.
In South Africa, where there are more than 60 confirmed cases, the president announced that foreigners coming from hard-hit countries will not be allowed to enter. Kenya announced measures to contain the virus after confirming 3 infections.
We have suspended learning in all our education institutions with immediate effect.
Meanwhile, back in Wuhan, China, doctors said testing is the most important containment tool.
Test, and test. Whenever you have no chance to do the test, the nucleic acid test for COVID-19, you never know who is the carrier, who is the patient, and you never know who should be quarantined and who are close contacts.
Advice echoed by the World Health Organization on Monday, and something other countries around the world are racing to do. Mariama Diallo, VOA News.
More cases and deaths have now been reported in the rest of the